Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by proving the mic and permissions are ready. Plug the mic in, unmute it, and speak to see system input levels. Then open privacy or security settings and allow microphone access for your screen recorder. Without that permission, the app can't capture audio. Once done, go into sound settings and choose the exact input device and set sample rate to 44. 1K Hz or 48K Hz so the recorder and system match, which prevents dropouts and sync issues. Now configure the screen recorder itself. Open audio or input settings and explicitly select your microphone as the primary source rather than default or system mix. Next, set the file format and bitrate. Use 128/320 kbps for voice clarity or higher for music. Choose mono for voice only to save space. If you need both system sound and mic, enable audio mix or multi-track recording and assign channels so the recorder doesn't mute one source when the other plays. Finish by doing a short test recording and listening back while watching the waveform to confirm steady levels and no clipping. Adjust gain if needed. If you hear nothing, immediately quit and restart the recorder, then recheck microphone permissions and reselect the input device. If problems persist, update microphone drivers and the recording app, and disable exclusive audio mode so other apps can access the mic. One troubleshooting tip: try another app to isolate whether the issue is the recorder or system-level settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.